Hello, my name is Andrey, I'm from Creative Force team and I am pleased to show you today some exciting system that I've been developing for about 5 years and this called Thesystem. Let's see the screen. Uh, First screen I want to show you is a login screen. Here you can see username and password and I'll switch it to English for our convenience. Username and password. After logging in, you will see the inside, if I can say so, inside part of the system. It consists of various modules. There is more than 50 modules by today developed in different systems, and I'm not using all of them every day. And at the left panel you can see the list of available and enabled modules for you. You can add it or remove it from the left panel here in your user card. Okay, let's go step by step. On this screen you see that the system consists of the left panel and the main view. Left panel usually consists of the menu, as I said before. Here is a link to logout, and below this line you can see some filters like search. We can input something, find something. Here you see various checkboxes and the button named Add a New User. By clicking you will see the user card. It's empty actually, and you can create new users here using this form. Also, after adding a user you can edit the available, let's say, available modules for this user. The internet connection is very poor, sorry for that. Here you can see privileges. This is the available modules for that particular user, and here is the projects. You know, the purpose of this system is actually it's like a project management helping tool for me to organize the workflow in my outsourcing team. In my outsourcing company, we provide in various service for our customers regarding almost any IT technology, and we use this system every day to organize the workflow in Creative Force. As you see, you can add or remove projects to the user, and you can change password here. It's here. You can set some another things. I will not go deep right now, not to spend your time. If you're interested in this, I can give you more details. Just ask me and I will be pleased to give you more details about almost any kind of the system, because I'm the author of this tool and I am the only developer of the system. It's by my hands. Okay, let's go further. What else I want to show you right now? Let's say this is analytics. Analytics is a panel where you can see a lot of numbers, values, dates. for the moment you can see the last week, but we can switch to last month. It will need a little bit more time to display the analytics. Here you can see all the metrics and values you really need to make decisions about how things are going in your company. You know, this is highly customizable system, and this panel also is highly customizable. We can make breakdowns, custom breakdowns in terms of what you really need. Okay, months isn't implemented here. Okay. What's more? I think you should really take a look at this module or panel. This is the dashboard. Here you can see what's happening on the server side. The CPU, this is disk space left, this is memory consumption, this is how proxies are doing, because we use proxies for some tasks. And this is the robots that are being started in background and doing the tasks for us, helping us to do some really creative things and leave all the rest annoying work to the robots. This is what I really love, and this is the predestination of my life, and this is why I'm doing anything, and even this is why I'm showing you this system right now. Okay, this is dashboard. Here is a lot of logs, events, and something else. Okay. Here you can see one of the most used modules in the system. This is the projects. This module is used to edit projects, to generally to manage them, to create, to delete, to edit, and to search. Maybe if I can remember. Okay, we had this project, Brixby. Here we go. Let's take a look at this. Here you can see the project card. And here you can see the details about this project. This is the title, platform, due date, and some other info. In terms of project, you can think about any project, not only a website, or this could be a customer project, maybe a marketing campaign, maybe some building development, or anything else. Almost any task that customer need to be done by your help. This is the participants. Here you can see the list of users belong to this project. You can add them. You can add the head of the company. And this functionality is used to find guys to help us with this project. And here is a lot of IT guys, about 280,000 contacts in the internal database in the system that is used to search for programmers, developers, designers, marketers, and almost anybody else we need to get our projects done. Okay, here you can see another tab. It's files. It's empty right now. you can set the access rights to any file before it gets loaded to the server. So I think it's really cool in terms of security. Here you can put the links, and if we have a link to the website we are working on, here it's saved. Okay, another tabs is used rarely, so let's not spend time on them. I hope you now you saw and understood what is the project's model about. Okay, let's go further to the tasks model. Here we manage tasks. You can see 4 columns. First one is new. Here is tasks being added to the system. Here you can see the tasks that we are working on right now. Completed tasks is about tasks to be checked by our project managers, or even by me, or by project managers from the customer side. Approved tasks is a list of tasks that done successfully, and we can say that they are okay, and we are okay with them, with those tasks. And again, as usual, here at the bottom of the left panel you can see the filters. We can select the project that we're interested in right now, like this or like this. You can see green. Green is this card is green because it's new, and it needs my attention to check this. After clicking and after refreshing, it turns red. This is the normal color of the tasks. I'll show you all the tasks we have right now. We see 136 tasks. Oh my god, it's too much. You see on the bottom, the yellow colored tasks is they have less priority, and on the bottom the red, they need more attention than yellow ones. Okay, I will show you the breadth of the task card. As far as you see, this this looks like a project card, but of course a little bit different. Here you can see general information about the task. Here you can see priority. You can see the detailed description. It's empty right here, and the subtasks, as well as another parts of the system. This card is highly customizable. You can add any new fields, new lists, new priorities, new checkboxes, and anything else you can even imagine. Okay, this was the tasks model, and what I want you to see more today is a calendar, and by request I already translated it to the Dutch language. You can see the lang parameter in the address bar of your web browser. Here is NL. Let's check if it will work for English. And I put here EN. You can see the interface is switched to a different language. Because I'm from Russia and I'm in Russia in Russia right now, and I'm born in Russia. My native language is Russian, so This is the default language, but we can even change the default language for your project. Here you can see the Russian interface. Okay, let's go to Dutch. If we need to translate the interface of the system to any other language, I will show you some really deep parts of the system. This is the code actually. This is the let's say main view of the calendar. You see, this is Russian, this is English, this is Dutch. Actually, NL, that stands for Netherlands. As far as I unfortunately don't talk Dutch, I just used Google Translate to do the trick for me and just put the translation to the proper tags inside the markup. This is the HTML code, and as far as you see, this is really simple to translate interfaces to any language you want to use in the system. And this is the calendar. Okay, I will show you some things about this. This model was used in St. Petersburg in 2015 when we was working with a small team of really fun guys. One of them was calling by phone and making appointments for us, and two different guys. They was me and the marketing guy. We was running around the city and making meetings with customers and talking about the projects, about the collaboration, about something they can pay for and something we can do for them. It was a really funny summer in St. Petersburg. Have a lot of good memories about that time. And this model was created in St. Petersburg. Actually, here you can see the statuses. This is actually a CRM system. This is the phone, and this is the footsteps. This is actually meeting. The check means that this was successful. This cross stands for failed. Okay. This is calendar. I need to switch to English, but let's take a try. No, it's unfortunately it's not translated yet to Dutch, so I have to switch to English. Tudum. It's loaded, yeah. Now you can see the card. This is a CRM item. Here you can see status, history, on the bottom here is a ability to add another status. This is a type. This stands for phone calls, meetings, email, meeting in the office, in the restaurant, in a different place, in another place actually. This is about conversation in VK, in Skype, in Telegram. So I think it's okay for now, and now you have a brief view of the system we use every day. Okay, let's take a cakewalk through the different models. This is the leads. We have, as far as you know, we have a lot of robots, and we have the mail-in through the Vkontakte. This is Wiki social network. It looks like that. I think you should know. This is a social network I usually use every day. Also, and system is integrated with this. Regarding integration, the system is really flexible. It's highly flexible in terms of integration with another systems, with another projects. It's like a CRM system, ERP system, Google Analytics, Dropbox, Facebook, Instagram, Google, and a lot of different system could be integrated with the system and with any another system that based on this system. Okay, here is user agents. This is it's about visits. Here I see and sort the web browsers that users use to visit our website cfteam.ru, and with the help of this module I can see that there is about 47.5% of bots, and the rest 51% is not bots, and about 1% is undefined. It's like this. This is the task scheduler for our robots. This is the SQL window. This is the currency converter. Here you can see some functionality that we wasn't put in another modules. Here you can see this, and I think it's okay. I think that's all I wanted to show you. And the last one is the user rights. Here we can manage the roles of the users. As you see, this is highly flexible as well, and we can define the groups. We can define access to different aspects of the system. We can create new groups, actually rows. We can create this is the column, this is the let's say the zone of the system, and this table shows the metrics of accessibility to different roles, to the users of different roles. I think that's it for today. I was very pleased to show you, to present you the system, and any feedback is highly appreciated. Let me show you the page of contacts. Here is my contacts, and please feel free to drop me a word in Telegram through this link, to add me to the friends in VK, or to visit our website cfteam.ru, and see you, have a good time. Here was Andrey from Creative Force team. Regards.